Meaning of forced entry.
Forced entry.
Forced entry.
Forced entry.
Forced entry. Forced entry refers to the act of gaining access to a property or building without permission or by using excessive force, such as breaking a door or window. The result of forced entry can include damage to the property or building, which may require repairs or replacement, as well as potential legal consequences for the person who committed the act. It is often considered a criminal offense and can result in fines, imprisonment, or other penalties. Additionally, the act can cause emotional distress and a sense of violation for the property owner or occupants.